Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Thanks for checking out another video. Today we're looking at the brand new Process West intake manifold for the FA20. Now we've been waiting on this thing for almost 7 freaking years, guys. But Process West did it. They came out with an intake manifold for your FA20 WRX. So this thing's been a while in the making. A lot of people are excited for it, and I think it's gonna have a few benefits. In the past, all you could do is get the BRZ manifold. And the BRZ manifold is a nice option. However, it does relocate the throttle body, and that could be an issue for some people, rerouting all their intercooler piping and everything else. So this is a direct bolt-on replacement. We're gonna take a look at it today. Now, as of making this video, we have one of them, this one. So act fast if you want one. If you go to the website and it says pre-order, don't be super scared because we can order more, and we are going to order more. It's just gonna take a little bit longer to get those, but order them while you can because these things are gonna be flying off the shelf. Literally. Oh, there's a lot of, it's like it's snowed in this box. So it's gonna come with this little instruction pamphlet. It's actually got some really nice detailed pictures showing you exactly how to install this thing, which is nice. Most other companies don't go through this much trouble to show you how to install stuff. It looks like, yeah, these are pretty detailed instructions. You got nice pictures that'll show you exactly how to do the install, which is gonna be nice. It's gonna be very helpful for you. And then, it looks like this actually just came off of this sheet. We got 2 Process West stickers here in a black with silver font, and then we have a silver Process West sticker here. It comes with a little metal bracket here. It's gonna come with all the hose and fittings that you need. But the exciting part is in here, and I might have to sit this on the floor to get this out. This thing is super protected in here, covered with styrofoam. The only issue is styrofoam is brittle and it breaks apart. So there is a lot of styrofoam floating around in this box. Oh man, there's a lot. I'm gonna clean some of this off quick before I bring you guys in. So let's talk about this intake manifold real quick, and then I'll bring you guys in. We'll get a slightly closer look at it so you can see it in all of its fine details. But what you are looking at right here is a billet aluminum intake manifold from Process West. This thing has been completely ported out. You have a large plenum on here. You got these nice large runners, and you got this polished finish in the front. Now this thing is all TIG welded, super strong. This thing will actually handle over 100 PSI of boost, which is just absolutely insane. So if you are pushing the limitations of your factory vehicle, this thing is what you want to run. This thing has been designed specifically for the FA20, so it's going to be a bolt-on application. There's no modification required. It's going to be mostly ideal for your high horsepower vehicles. So if you're running a street car, this will benefit you, but you're gonna see more benefits in the higher horsepower applications, and it's gonna make a little bit more sense to replace that factory plastic manifold in those higher horsepower applications. This thing is actually not gonna trigger any sort of check engine light, and it doesn't actually require a tune. However, to see the good benefits of this thing, you're gonna wanna get a tune anyways. You know, most people aren't gonna buy this and not get a tune unless you're buying it just for the looks. But I will tell you, this thing is gonna look really pretty sitting in your engine bay. It's gonna be a nice centerpiece, and it's really gonna make a bold statement on your vehicle. But again, if you want to get a nice tune, you can. If you don't, it's not gonna cause any problems. So when we're talking about the benefits of this thing, realistically, we are looking at the benefits where the stock manifold is going to fail, where it is plastic and it could break, and this is gonna replace that, and you don't ever have to worry about this breaking under a higher level of boost. And we are also looking at a better flow than the stock manifold. So you can expect more power out of this with a proper tune, even if you're not in a high horsepower application. I know with the BRZ manifolds, a lot of tuners were able to achieve about a 15 wheel horsepower gain just from that manifold. So I would expect about the same with this thing. But I'll be honest, it's priced reasonably fair compared to some of the other Process West manifolds. This thing has a really nice price tag on it. I believe the EJ models are a lot more expensive, so maybe it's just because this is a new model, but you can see all this machining on the side where you're gonna install all those inserts. You can see all the porting in there. Like, it looks super nice. I'm gonna get you guys some nice shots of this thing so you can see what it looks like. Again, we do have this one in stock right now, and probably by the time I post this video, it will be sold. So if you guys go on the website and you see that it says pre-order, don't be scared to send us a message if you're worried about waiting weeks and weeks and weeks for this thing. Send us a message, sales@importimageracing.com, and we can give you some kind of ETA on when you can expect it so that you can place your order with confidence. But again, this is a really nice piece. I'm gonna close out today's video by getting you guys some nice shots of this thing, and we'll wrap it up. So that was the Process West intake manifold for the FA20. If you guys are interested, as I said, send us a message, sales@importimageracing.com. If you want to purchase it straight from the website, you're more than welcome to as well. Hopefully we'll have more of these in stock and you can buy them in stock. However, like I said, if it does say pre-order, just know that we will be getting more soon, and you can always reach out to us to get an ETA for that before you place your order. But either way, I'll put that email in the description so you guys know exactly where to send your emails, and I will put a link to this product in the description so you can get a direct link to the website to your intake manifold. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.